When nothing works out, when every plan falls apart and even small things go wrong, it's easy to think life's against you. But maybe it's not punishment. Maybe it's redirection. You don't need to have it all together right now. You just need to start aligning again. Here's what to do. 5 steps that bring calm when life feels out of control. Step 1, slow down before you burn out. Stop forcing things. Sometimes doing nothing for a while is the smartest thing you can do. Take a pause, breathe, step back, and let your mind catch up. Clarity never comes from chaos. Step 2, do one grounding task. When life feels heavy, do something simple and physical. Make your bed. Go for a short walk. Clean your desk. One small action reminds your brain you're not helpless. Momentum starts from movement, not motivation. Step 3, accept that you're frustrated. You don't have to act okay all the time. Write down what's bothering you, not to complain, but to understand. Naming your thoughts is how you stop them from controlling you. Calm doesn't come from avoiding pain, it comes from facing it gently. Step 4, reset your environment. When you can't change your situation, change your surroundings. Declutter your space. Play calm music. Go outside for sunlight. Even the smallest shift in environment sends your mind a new signal. You're moving forward again. Step 5, start small, stay consistent. Forget grand comebacks. Just rebuild one habit at a time. Wake up early, read 10 pages. Show up for yourself daily, even when no one's watching. Peace doesn't come from fixing everything. It comes from trusting your process again. Conclusion: life won't always go your way, but that's not the point. You're not meant to control every outcome. You're meant to stay centered no matter what happens. Because the truth is, you're not broken. You're just being reshaped into someone stronger, calmer, and more grounded than before.